Welcome to Calvin, the Digital Creative School. My mic was muted, sorry about that. I quickly want to change the background because I'm getting a little tired of this guy dancing behind me. I'm gonna choose a little bit more subtle background. Yeah, this guy. Alright, cool. This guy is a bit more, he's a bit nicer. A bit more polite. Your wrench, you're also here already. Nice. I was, yeah, let's just start with your submission. Okay. Alright, alright. Stop scene, here we go. Okay, so Wrench basically sent in his frames here, and I saw like you want to upload them to BlenderKit, right? But there's some problems with it. Let me put that over here. So, normal or smoothing issue, missing bevel, model topology issues, check this please. Please use bevel with 3 segments in geometry, mitre outer arc, it's balanced value, do not apply modifier, also use light weighted normal for correcting shading, always try to make optimized models, good luck. Alright, check for the model name, use that, the model name, let me check that real quick here. Ah, Calva, okay, I see. So you want me to work on this one then, right? Okay, so I can immediately see that there's some kind of like roundness to the whole mesh. I'm not sure if this was your goal, but I think it's what they said, that it's not really correct, technically speaking. So let's fix that. For like to start with, let's just put in the things they told here, which is in the bevel modifier. Let's see. Geometry, mitre outer should be arc. Alright, I don't see any difference, but that's what they want, so we're gonna just do that. It's balanced value. Is this to a difference? Oh, this just breaks it completely. It's balanced value. I'm not sure what that means. Do it apply? Also use weighted normal for correcting shading. Yeah, weighted normal, I've also learned just recently to use that. So let's just see what that does here. Weighted normal. Okay, yeah, that basically fixes it. Yeah, I think this is basically how they want the model to look like, how they want the normals to look like. I'm not super sure how this works, like what the weighted normal actually does, but it definitely fixes the, yeah, the shape of it. What is this over here? Okay. Wait, actually this hardened normals, I also figured that out, that hardened normals basically does the same thing as weighted normal. So I'm not sure if either is okay. I guess we just put the weighted normal in here since BlenderKit asked for that. Let's see, model topology. Okay, let's check the topology here. Let's disable it for the editing here. Alright. Oh, these are the normal lines, okay. I don't see anything weird with this model right now. Was it maybe with the bevel enabled? This all looks fine. Wait, what is that? think there's like some overlap over there. This looks to me like there's two edges on top of each other, but I'm not super sure if that is what's happening. Oh, I think it is. Yeah. Ah, okay, yeah. So you have the amount so high that like two edges basically become one. So we could lower this a little bit so that doesn't happen. 1, 3. Let's do it so it's like equally 3, 5. Okay, now it looks pretty equally distributed. Normal or smoothing issue. Got the segments 3, which they want also to be the maximum. Yeah, I mean, this looks correct to me now. Hey, Mr. Tyro, what's up? Right now we are helping Wrench to like fix his model to upload to BlenderKit, and after that I think I will edit a little breakdown of a 3D animation that I did that Jan just made sound design for like a few minutes ago. Yeah, Wrench, I think this is correct now. This looks clean to me. Now you can try uploading this again to BlenderKit, see if it works. We'll see what happens, yes. Alright, I'll save this and send it back to you. Okay, this V2. Yeah, I also check this. Maybe let's check out this. Oh, it's a long video. What do you mean? BlenderKit sends you your model back and says you need to fix it? Yeah, BlenderKit, they are like, they have their rules, right? Like they have the stuff that you need to follow for your model to be accepted. Kind of like to, yeah, follow a quality standard, kind of. It's light here. Yeah, that's a bit better. Okay. Yeah, so if you don't follow kind of like the rules that BlenderKit sets for like high quality assets, then they will tell you what to fix, and usually they're very helpful with that. And then you can just like re-upload it, and they will check it again. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good system. Okay, yeah, let me quickly send it back to Wrench so we have that sorted. So we go. Yeah, let's quickly check this video here, because yeah, I actually don't know what weighted normals does, so let's just quickly see if this video explains it to us.
Hey, Gleb here, and welcome to yet another tutorial from the 2.80 Plus update for hard surface modeling video course. Today we're gonna be talking about the weighted normal modifier. This tutorial will be split in two sections. In the first one, more theoretical one, we'll take a look at smooth shading and how per phase vertex normals affect shading in Blender, and for that matter in other applications. We'll talk about the Blender default smooth shading algorithm and how face-weighted vertex normals can actually look better in terms of shading. And by better, I mean more faithful to the actual geometry. So flat faces look flat on rendering, and the interpolation occurs across the beveled edge and not across the entire model, like you see on the right. As we will see, the default Blender smooth shading algorithm is not ideal when dealing with large flat surfaces, and that's pretty much the essence of hard surface modeling. So the weighted normals are simply much better solution. And because lighting...
I wonder why the weighted method is not the standard in Blender, because it seems to just be better, right?
And shading calculations in any 3D software, including Blender, largely depend on vertex normals. It's crucial to understand how to manipulate these normals. And here comes the weighted normals modifier. Ta-da! So that's pretty much our agenda for today. Calculate better shading automatically using this newly introduced modifier. But here we have the reference object, which is a pretty high poly mesh, and right away I will switch to Workbench Render Engine and Matcaps. I'll pick a slightly glossy one, because with some reflectivity it will be easier just to spot all the gradients and talk about it. Yeah, that one looks pretty neat, but I'll stick to that one instead. And one more thing that I want to do is add the wireframe toggle to the geometry. Alright, so here has its own set of normals. Add it on top, and with the bevel modifier for decorative purposes. So let's see how it goes. But the is that they don't affect shading. They don't directly participate in the shading calculations. That being said, face normals are used in calculating the vertex normals, like the direction of adjacent faces, which this vertex is a part of. But directly, face normals aren't used in shading calculations and thus aren't very interesting for us in this particular example. So let's switch it over to vertex per face normals, or simply to vertex normals, which, by the way, don't take any part in shading calculations. Although they're called vertex normals, they're just a cross product between all faces that touch that vertex. That is not very interesting for us here when we talk about shading. These things are called slightly differently. In Blender, vertex normals aren't used for shading. What Blender uses for shading is actually custom split normals, or vertex per face normals. Let's take a look at it. So I'll click to disable vertex normals and enable vertex per face normals, which will be calling just vertex normals from now on, just for simplicity's sake. Disclaimer: for the rest of the tutorial, when I will be saying vertex normals, what I actually will mean is split vertex normals or vertex per face normals.
I feel like this is too technical for me right now. This is something that really needs some attention to understand the theory of. And in general, I'm not so interested in technical stuff generally. I'm interested in the artistic side of the process. But like sometimes it's really important to understand technical limitations and how things work technically. But usually, I don't try to bother with that too much. Yeah, maybe I'll check this out another time. It could be a bit much right now to watch a 20-minute technical video about normals. I'll post the link here in the chat so you guys can check it out if you want to learn about it. Go from Gleb Alexandrov. Okay, cool. So we got that figured out. Okay, yeah, let's continue with the breakdown. So basically, Jan made this very cool animation here. Oh, not animation, the sound design. He made the sound design. It's so loud. He really maxed out the volumes. Alright, so what I wanted to do was I wanted to figure out how to show off this animation the best, kind of like the breakdown, because I have, let me actually put in the different passes I have. So this, passes, 3D render. So this is the raw JPEG. There's basically no compositing, just the pure render. Alright, no compositing, no color grading. I'm going to disable sound while we work on this for a bit, so you can see the big difference. So I want to have like a slider at the end from like the raw render to the composited version. Ooh, especially the glow here looks very cool. Oh, that reminds me, I need to still release my glow filter. I want to edit a little trailer for it. that's kind of like what I'm waiting for to release it, to like get some time to edit the trailer. Yeah, it's very cool. Okay, so how are we showing this? I'm thinking it's always like interesting to catch people's attention with like a object render, right? Which I don't have yet. Oh damn, okay, let's just do a quick viewport render here. Because I think that's always interesting to see in the beginning. Space Marine Animation V7. I really not have a viewport render? I feel like I rendered one. Oh no, I do have one. Yes, I do have one. Yes, okay. Have this one. Alright, no need for Blender, thank you. Passes, yes, salt. There we go. Okay, so I'm thinking showing this one first. Let me extend this a little bit so we can actually see. And usually I like to use thumbnail view. It takes less time to calculate those images. Okay, so we have this first, and then I want to maybe have like a little glitch out or something. I want to have like a cool transition into the final render then. Ooh, how about we do like a slow speed ramp to like kind of like extend the beginning so people can get accustomed to it for a little bit longer. Damn. For some reason it's always hard to wrap that left edge. Okay, here we go. Nope. This, yeah. Okay. Let's do the optical flow here. Enhanced better. Let's see how well that works. Okay, not perfect. Let's see if we can use speed warp better, the best version. Oh, this is actually so good. Oh, and also super smooth. Nice, very cool. I think I'm gonna start this a little later. Oops. I want to have a little less of this, just like a few frames. This. Let's enable this optical flow again. Better warp. Yeah, I just want some time in the beginning to be able to transition into the final shot. So we can have like a glitch transition maybe. And also this one, I want that to be like a little bit more extra time at the end. So going to do the same here. Let's see how good speed warp is with this shot. Yeah, not terrible. Not terrible. Oh, that's actually pretty cool how it's like getting sucked up. And this over here. Change the transition point. Then let's see if we can have a nice glitch transition between these two. Mr. Tyro says he likes starting from the wireframe. Oh, I actually don't have a wireframe render. Would that be worth it? Let's actually see how a wireframe render would look like. But I don't know if wireframe makes so much sense for me here because I didn't create any of the models, so showing off the wireframe doesn't really show anything that I did. But let's just see how the wireframe would look like. Glitch transition here. Let's see. Oh, that's kind of cool. This doesn't need to be that long. Maybe we can transition a bit earlier. Actually later, but I don't need it to slow down so much, that's the thing. That's pretty cool. That feels pretty cool. Yeah, let's do it like that. I feel like the audio is not synced anymore now. Is it? No, not really. Let's actually unlink it for now. Damn, Discord crashed on me. Oh no! Why would it do that? Link it back up. So the impact is here. Nice. I feel like it should be like 1 or 2 frames earlier. Two. One more maybe. Ah, that felt wrong. Yeah, that felt good. Okay. Okay, now we got that. We got this transition. I would also like to actually have the sound transition in a little bit, so we can already hear it. Can we actually slow down sound? I think so. Speed. Speed, let's do 25%. Yeah, okay. We got the slower speed now. We should be able to transition into the original speed here. Oops. Why wasn't I able to add a transition here? Okay, now I was able. That's good. Let's actually like make it fade in too. Okay, that's cool, I think. Guten Tag, der Herr. Na, Erik? Alles cool bei dir? Ah, hier, he's, he's another Eric. The Eric next to me is very upset that he's not the only Eric anymore. He bought the right to be the only Eric.
Bot.
Bot Eric. The Eric bot. I knew it. Wrench knew it all along. Okay, so okay, so maybe we can do like a rough structure now. We don't need this stuff here. Ich bin auch immer sauer, wenn ich über den Erik neben dir redest. Ja, er ist sauer, wenn ich über dich rede.
Wer?
Der andere Erik. Der Erik. Bist du auch sauer? Ja, ich bin komplett sauer. Alle Eriks sind so sauer. Schlechte Moods, die Eriks. Es kann nur einen geben. Right. Okay, so I was trying to figure out kind of like the timing of these shots, right, of the breakdown. I've got like a bunch of cool ones. I'm thinking like to just combine these, like play these on loop and then kind of like just like have like split screen like roll over them to kind of reveal reveal the individual ones. Ich glaube, das ist normal, wenn man den gleichen Namen hat und jemand über den anderen redet, der auch so heißt. Ganz normale Namensrivalität. Okay, so I think, yeah, I've got an idea. Okay, let's try that. Let's try. How would I set that up though? Oh, actually, let me pick one of the other ones because Jan also gave me the other. What's it called again? Passes, the sound passes here, the different ones. I'm gonna use one that's a bit simpler for the beginning. That's the whole full one, yes. You can actually use this one here too. Just to fill it up a little bit. Nice, nice. I wanted to check how the wireframe looks like. So wireframe. Oh, it's so dense. Oh no, I don't think this will be useful for anything. Alright, let's get rid of that. By the way, DaVinci is arschlaut. Oh, really? Damn. Yeah, I think Jan's mix is extremely loud. Let's tone that down a little bit here. Maybe that's better, right? Okay. Then, yeah, basically, this is now maybe I want a little bit of a chiller sound in the beginning. This is the fire. This is the individual ones. I guess this is already the chillest one. Rechts an, als würde das klippen. Speak English now. going back to English. Anyway, this is a very intense clip, so we need some intense sound design that sounds like it's blasting away the character. Okay, let me just drop these in. Yeah, let's just drop these in for now. See how they look. I'm actually feeling like just having music in the beginning and with a little text breakdown. Yeah, maybe just like music in the beginning and the final shot. And then the different passes. So let's just start. I mean, some of these we don't need that much. I think the lighting pass is interesting to watch because it's pretty unique. The relighting and post. Then we have the normals, but I think the normals we can actually. Okay, no, you know what? I'm just gonna go for my idea of the split screen. I'm gonna do that in Fusion completely. Let's do a Fusion composition here and make it twice as long. We can probably change the length afterwards again. Let's do about this length. Yeah, sure, why not? Go into Fusion. And then we need the other layout because this doesn't work for such a small screen. Default, yes. Drop in all of my render passes here. Should I drop in the solid view again? No, probably don't need that. Okay, nice. Passes. And then I basically want to have like kind of like wipe reveals of each pass. I guess we can work from top to bottom, why not? So, I need masks. Rectangle mask. And let's do it like this. I also like that when they're like a bit slanted, so let's slant them a little bit. And then let's try to automatically animate them by, let's see, position center, yes, so center. Let's give that an expression here. So the center here should be, was it time? I think time was the frame and resolve, right? Yeah, seems so. Time divided by 50. Should be, yeah, it's animating on its own now. Very nice. Time, let's do -2. Oh, we need a bit more minus, so it starts off screen. That's 10, or even more. -15. Yes, there we go. Now it starts rolling in. Wait, it should. What? What's happening? Oh, no. Oh, I need to put -15 afterwards. So divide by, and then -15. So this is basically the speed, and then we want to offset that. Right? Wait, no, something ain't right. Okay, so we got the slow movement. We should be able to offset it. -2. Ah, okay, but it's much more now, sorry. Just offset it a tiny bit. -0, 0.2. Wait, now it's all the way up there. Wait, because of this? Oh, I need the point, not the comma. Point. Okay. Are we finally getting it? Okay, almost. 0.3. And then it's slowly moving. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Maybe we should move a little bit slower so we can actually kind of like dissect what's happening. So manually divide by 80. Yeah, we can probably make it also a bit wider. Okay, cool. That looks correct. And then can we transform this to like be more to the left? Basically like adding an offset for each time. Oh no, this is just the up. Oh yeah, this seems to work. Yeah, cool. So let's say minus this. So basically we're using this here, and then this here, and then we should be able to just repeat that for all the layers, I think. Let's see. So we got the first one here, second one's getting revealed, the third one's getting revealed. Oh yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. Perfect, okay. And I also want to make sure that all of these are looping. So let's select all of them and enable loop. Did it enable it on all of them? No. Shit, we gotta go through it one by one and enable loop. Now we should have it. Oh, bow. Yes, cool, cool. Yeah, now we can reveal all the individual layers. Oh, but we actually don't wanna, we wanna offset it to be right after the first one. Oh, can we actually make do this in a smart way? Can like automatically, okay, because 0 is, like the starting point is 0.5. And then if we feed in the width with this point. Yeah, so wait, I think I'm getting pretty smart right now. Let me try something else. Okay, so the offset, center here. Yeah, this thing should be, so 0.5 is the standard. So that should be connected. This value should be, right? This value should be connected. Ah, damn. Sometimes my Wacom tablet is a bit hard to handle. Okay, so this should be connected to the width. This. Yes. Width. Minus, was it minus 0.5? Almost. The width divided by 2. That be correct? No. Okay, wait, how much offset do we have right now? So basically we have this, which is less than 0.5. So we need... Wait, no. Oh, this. Okay. So this is the width of everything, right? It definitely needs to have a +5, I think, because then only then we get the standard value. +5. Oh no, plus 0.5. 0.5. Now if we change the width, I think we're controlling both of them at the same time, right? Yeah, I think this is it. So we can procedurally afterwards change the width of these slides, and all of them, all of the ones that come after should follow, right? So if I copy paste this transform below, put that into the mask here, I should reveal the next one, right? Oh no, it's in front of it now? Left, right, right. Oh, it's going in the other direction. I want it to go to the left, not to the right. All the way to the left, right, right. Yeah, I want it to go to the left. So that's something to fix. That means plus 0.5. So instead should be minus 0.5. No. Or do I need to invert this data? So times -1. Oh yeah, I think I got it now. Yeah, now it goes to the left. Okay, cool. We got it, we got it. Nice, yeah, I think we got it now. Cool. So now we should be able to just copy paste this everywhere. And we have our scan reveal. There we go. All right, we got it. All procedural. Okay, we start with the object ID pass. Here comes the UV map, the noise, the normal, the relight. Okay, actually, let's make them a bit wider. And because we made it procedural, we can easily do that now. We can all make them all a bit wider, and it will all just work out. Very cool. Very proud. I'm very proud of this. That actually worked. Okay, object ID, normal Dingenskirchen, relighting. We can even make it even wider. Then we can also have, so we need to extend it to the top. And I want the JPEG to go in there. Yeah, transform in here. That goes in this thing, and this goes in here. So now we should see, yeah, the uncomposited, then the object ID, then the UV map, and the, wait, what? Why don't we see it? Oh, I need to loop it, yes. Normal map. Okay, cool. Nice. Yeah, it's all working automatically. And then also at the end, I want to reveal the final render again. Yeah, sure, why not? Oh, that's the MP4. I want the uncompressed, this one. So this is then in the end. So one more. Bing bong. Bing bong. Bing bong. Bing bong. This is the power of notes, everyone. Boom. Oh yeah, I need to loop this again. Map. Relighting. Position. Then final. Oh wait, the final isn't matching up. Oh, because it's longer. Damn. Okay, but we can actually fix that. 109, yes, so we need to set this also to be a length of 109. There we go. And final reveal. Oh, actually, that would be very cool if we... Oh, no, actually, let's start... Oh, okay, yeah, let's invert it. Let's start with the final look. Then we reveal the uncomposited. That way it reveals the final look at the end again. Oh yeah, there we go. Very nice. Okay. We start with the final one, object ID. Okay, yeah, let's try adding the text. Oh, actually, we can. Oh, I've got an idea. I've got an idea what we can do to reveal the text. We can merge it with the individual layers, and then the text gets also revealed in the same way. Text plus. Bit more space here. Final render. Final comp plus color. Final comp plus color. Be like at the bottom of the screen right here. Do we have a cool font? I'm pretty bad at picking fonts. Maybe I should use one that I already use for the website or something. Oh yeah, I use Bahnhof for the live stream, so let's see. Bahnschrift, yeah. Okay, I'll just use this. And I'm also going to use my school color. Here we go. Final comp. Okay. Alright. Okay, so next up, I am going to paste this as a linked instance. So that way, if we change one text, like settings in one text, like font or anything, it will be copied over to the others. And we can de-instance single things. So for example, I'm going to de-instance the text, obviously, right? So this is the object ID. And I'm going to de-instance the color. So we can pick something that's better visible. Hello. Wait, I can't change it. If I pick a different color, does it change in the other one too? Ah, shit, it does. Why can't I de-instance the color? What the hell? It feels like a mistake. So usually you just right-click on anything and you can de-instance it, but the color doesn't do that. Okay, yeah, that's a mistake. So I guess we gotta change the color in a different way. And I know exactly how. So we just need a color. So I'm gonna use background for the color and put that. Let's make some more space here. Background, so basically we use the text as a mask and background as a foreground element. Yeah, and that way we can pick our color here. Yeah, let's do our school green. And then I'm just gonna paste it here too, foreground, and this is the mask. And now we can change the color with this. There we go. Okay, so best color for this would probably be black, maybe. Object ID, final comp plus color, object ID. Yeah, cool, works. Now I gotta, yeah, paste instance again. Go. It's in here. Nice. Color. No, this is not final color. So I'm going to de-instance this whole node. Can I do that? Yeah, de-instance the whole node. I'm going to de-instance the text. And this is the UV. Yeah, I'll just call it UV, whatever. VPass, or maybe I should put pass, object ID pass, just to make sure. Final component color, yeah, just to know, make sure that people know it's a pass. UV pass, that's what color is easiest readable here. White is not so readable. Black is cool, but we had black before, so maybe it's just something blue could be fitting with the background. Yeah, it's still readable. Object ID pass, UV pass. Here we have, this is basically what I use the UV pass for. It's this whole thing. It's this name here. But this is noise, texture noise, texture noise mapped with UV pass. Maybe I can actually do it in 2 lines so it's not so full. Okay, let me make sure that the anchor is on the bottom always. It's not that way. Yeah, the cool thing is, like, if I change settings in one node here, it will apply it to all of the nodes. So that way I can very easily change how the text looks or behaves. Texture no, texture noise. Oh, actually the other way around. Noise texture mapped with UV pass. Noise texture. Color for this. This should probably be maybe red. Yeah, red is okay. Yeah, red is okay. I think I'm still gonna give the text like a shadow and stuff, so it's easier. It's easier to read. Let's see, we got shading here. Evil outline. No, wait. Shadow. Shadow. There we go. Ah, shit, it's using the. Alright, yeah, it's using it as a mask, so I can't add shadow through this stuff. Damn it. Yeah, that's really annoying that you can't de-instance the color. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, I'll just live with it for now. Let's see. This next up is, that is the, this is the normal pass. Pass instance. This should be probably black, because there's a lot of different colors already in the normal pass. Basically all the colors, because it's using all the colors too, right? Oh, I didn't de-instance it. No! Okay, de-instance. Shit, I forgot. So now it overrode the first one. Yeah, okay, gotta write it again. Final comp plus color. Here we go. Final comp plus color. Object ID pass. UV pass. Nice texture mapped with UV pass. Normal pass. Oh, yeah. Yes. Relighting with normal pass. Instance. Relighting with normal pass. I'm gonna make this white because it's light. For instance, the color. Just make it white. This is position pass for masking. Yeah, this one can't be green. This one should probably be white. I don't see so much white yet. Maybe blue. Blue would also be fine. Yeah, position pass in blue is actually fine. Then we have here again. Raw. Render. Then again it reveals the final comp, right? Raw render. Final comp, yes. Nice. Instance. Raw render could be white. So kind of like show how raw and plain it is. Just pure white. Raw render. Final comp plus color. There we go. Okay. Okay, yeah, it worked out. Worked out how I wanted it. Let's actually. Let's offset the animation a little bit so it starts a little bit later. It's fine. 4. There we go. Object ID pass. UV pass. Noise mapped. Noise texture mapped with UV pass. Pass. Okay, I think it needs to be slow because when we play this back in real time, it's probably much faster than it is in Fusion. Let's see about that. Yeah, it's pretty fast. Let's do it a little bit slower. Divided by 120. Okay, we got it. Okay, cool. So now it's about adding flare to it. Maybe we could come in with a glitch, like a very quick glitch transition. I think that could be nice. I'm a big fan of this glitch transition. I feel like I should just make my own glitch transition so it's a bit more unique. Because I do see this one from time to time. True. I feel like it's always a bad idea when a video starts in full black. Maybe there should already be something there. Maybe the final look, actually. Like the final image. Let's try that. Like the final look for a moment, so people get like a teaser. This that transitions to the. That could be cool. Well, you know, yeah, I think that's cool. That reveal the full thing, yeah. Oh, this red text is kind of ugly. Let's just make it white since we're just using it as a mask anyways, so it's easier to see. Okay, not red. Red feels a bit weird. Like pink? Why not? Sure. I've got an idea how to make the text a bit more readable. Actually, I think it's almost good. I'm thinking of like refining the transition elements a little bit. Like, is there like something cool we can do with those? Maybe. Maybe how does it look if we make it a bit soft? No, I don't think soft fits this video that well. Maybe just like a little bit, just like a tiny bit. This. Ooh, this looks trippy. It's actually kind of cool too. Is this even interesting? Like for people to just like look at the different render passes? I think it could be interesting, right? Like, but maybe there's something. I've got an idea how to like make it a bit more, to keep it a bit more interesting. Maybe if we increase the speed. So I'm gonna take the width here, and I'm gonna animate it to get smaller towards the end. Yeah, just gets a bit smaller. So basically the transitions speed up. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how that feels. I also wanna smoothen that. Actually, the other way around. I want this. I want it to start smooth and then it accelerates. I think that's actually pretty cool. Yeah, I think we can make that even stronger. Like make it speed up faster and be like much faster at the end. How does that feel like? Coming in. Object ID pass, UV pass, nice texture, normal pass, light pass, color. It's a bit fast though, like you can't really read it anymore. I'm not sure. Maybe we can actually do both directions, like we can have it speed up and slow down. That could be cool, so it's like fast in the beginning and then slow in the end again. Let's try that. Okay, so that means we need, basically we need this keyframe over there. Let me do that with the keyframe editor. This keyframe over here. This keyframe can go end again. Oh yeah, this is way too small though. It can't get this small. It should still be like a width that's readable. This maybe. Oh, that's interesting. Now it's like expanding. Oh, yeah, that's actually pretty interesting. It's speeding up. No. Showing all the different layers at the same time. Object ID pass. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. And then zooming in again. Yeah, I like that. Feels pretty cool. Should feel a bit more. Yeah, like I want to like try to focus on this relight moment here. It continues. I think the other rotation could work better for the relight, so we see more of it. Yeah. Nice. Texture. Nice. We're gonna switch things a little bit around because I feel like the position pass is not interesting anyways. The normal pass is very interesting. And the UV pass. The normal and UV is like working together, so that's important. The world pass, like the position pass, is not so important for this effect. Let's just see how it looks. It's the final compass color. There we go. Okay, I think that's cool. Let's see how it feels. Reveal the object ID, UV pass. Let's do it without the UI again. That's interesting. Continues. Render. Final color. Yeah, I think that's cool. I think we can use it like that. Render plus color. And then I'm gonna show it one last time with the sound design. Fade in the final version one more time here. Oh no, I don't need a cut, I just need to mark it. That's where it starts, and then we do a little fade in. We get the sound again. There we go. That's it. You Maybe I'll do a little title card here that says breakdown or something. Text plus VFX down. Do my Bahnhof again here. Bahnschrift. Let's take our nice screen. Everyone loves the screen. VFX breakdown. It's breakdown. I feel like a little black frame in between. Feels kind of nice. Cool. Yeah, now we just need some music. Maybe I'll just use my use the song again that I'm always using because it's so cool. Music. Let's see, Avon. Let's see what other music we made recently. Maybe we can actually use something else. Funky Night. Ah, that's the one that I always use. The Night. Oh, this one's actually kind of cool. Yeah, this is actually kind of cool. Okay, let's try this. Try a new song. Oops, no, I didn't want to. I want to edit it in here. Wait, why can't I do it? Doesn't when you double click on it, oh yeah, it opens. It's just hard to do with the touchpad, with a pen, I guess. Okay, let's see. So this should be the start of the breakdown, I feel like. I actually need to lower Jan's sound design a little bit. If I this to 0 decibels. Oh, but I'm gonna lower it anyways for the live stream. The song's not so exciting. It's cool, it's a cool vibe, but it's not really that exciting. Let's check out the other songs again. Funk.
All clear.
Feels pretty random, but also sounds pretty cool. Oliver Disco. Ah, here I used a bunch of cool samples. Backing it on. Funky Night. Oh, this was the old version. So I'll just use Funky Night again. It's my favorite song so far. All the old ones I made are not so just don't sound so good, I would say. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is actually pretty cool for the breakdown. This could be cool for the breakdown. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that actually fits pretty well. Yeah, that actually fits. This song is awesome. What can I say? Yeah, I'm gonna throw the... Okay, that's the end anyways, so perfect. Actually gonna end it with the sound. Okay, nice. Yeah, this song fits well. What about the beginning? Actually, let me fade this out over the course of the last shot. Okay, yeah, maybe I'll just lower the sound design just a tiny bit, actually. 1 decibel. Beatrice says, looks cool. Thank you. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Now we just need some music in the beginning. Maybe this. Let's see. Maybe I can use the other song actually for the beginning. We can use this for the beginning. Let's see. Oh, the actually fits pretty well here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's not bad, okay. Yo, Phil, what's up? All right, cool. Yeah, I think that's good. I'm gonna. I'm planning to do like a bigger video on how kind of like condense how I created this whole scene with all the live streams and stuff. Anyways, this is just to post the clip itself with a little breakdown on social media. Phil asked, "How did the 3D scanning hunt go?" It was very fun. It was very fun. Yeah. I'm also creating a big video around that, but that's only going to come out in like 2.5 months or so, because we want to actually see how everyone's scans perform over the next months. But yeah, it was very fun, and also people are very into it. I'm meeting Melissa tomorrow again to show her a little bit more how to do it. Yeah, because she wasn't able to come at the end of the day, so yeah, I'm gonna show to her again, and then she will get rich. Alright, guys, but yeah, that's it for me today for the day today. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a great night. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow again for... Wait, what do we have tomorrow? Thursday. Oh yeah, tomorrow we're gonna have, of course, Create Together as every day, but our first gaming session at night. So I'm very excited to play some games with the community, maybe directly on Discord, some of those games they have on there. Yeah, let's see. Otherwise, I'm gonna do the goodbye thing now with everyone who wants to join. Prush, you wanna do this? You wanna do the goodbye scan thing?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, bye bye. Nothing. Just like live. Crush is like another day.